you need to have a good whistle, dog treats, good girl. Yeah. This way, Bella. Come on, one more time. I know, this will be our last time, okay? All right. Hold on, I want you to sit. 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 Stay. Stay, girl. Stay. Going to the end of my driveway. Find Bella. There she is. Good girl. No, I didn't call you over. Bella, you jumped the gun. Now, let's go back. All right, we're going to try it again. I know, I took too long. So I want you to sit. Sit, Bella. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay? Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Great job. All right. That's it for today.